Everything sucks, man. Like, this trick fucking... It's not even a trick. It's just... I don't even know what happens, man. It just doesn't register the fucking right trigger and you just go fucking up for no fucking reason. So dumb. And that's also dumb. Why am I hitting the ceiling? I'm 2 seconds behind. This is gonna be way harder now. 1 second behind was pretty easy to make. 2 seconds behind, I don't know. Wow, I think I make it. Wow. We have another chance. Do we just take the easy way? Yeah. We just take the easy way. 118. Oh, I missed the screenshot. I'm a noob.